Now let's take a look at our next Slash-inspired lick. And this is another major pentatonic lick, but this time we're going to be including some chromatic notes. This has got a little bit of a sort of country blues flavour to this lick. You're going to start off by bending the 16th fret of the G up by a whole tone. And then we're going to play the 14, 15, 16, and then move up to the 17, just using your first, second, and third fingers. Now you can hear that little chromatic line there, one note after another. When I'm playing that little climbing figure, I'm not letting those notes ring into one another. You're cutting the notes off, so it's got a little bit of a staccato feel to it. Okay, and then we're going to bend up on the G string by a whole tone, release that back down to the starting pitch. So we have the starting pitch up by a whole tone to the target pitch and then back down. And then we resolve to the root note on the 14th fret G. So put that together. Now let's play our chromatic lick with the click track. Going to repeat it 4 times. That's a really fun lick. It's a really cool sounding lick. Adds a little bit more colour to a major pentatonic phrase by adding those chromatic passing notes. Okay, so now it's your turn to practice our chromatic lick.